Well, you better try harder if you want to see what's inside. Just tear it off. Just tear the whole paper off.
What's it?
Well, no.
Leave it open. You can do it.
You can get it. There you go. Hey, thank you, Mommy.
Turn it over.
What's that?
What's Edward? What do you think? He looks like Thomas, but that's Edward. Look who else is in there. Who's that? Is there top of Matt? Yeah. Okay, let's see what's in this one.
What's the first one?
I don't know. You better stand up for it.
I am.
It's on the edge of
What
the
is
chair.
it?
Hold on. Okay.
Pull it out.
Oh, my, what is it? What is it?
It's Legos, Thomas. Wow.
My goodness.
What do you think? What do you say?
Thank you.
Thank you, Easter Bunny. I want to see what's in your basket.
Yeah. Ooh,
What's that?
chocolate racing.
Yes. What else?
Jelly bean.
What's this?
I didn't know. More stuff.
Yes. And what's on this sock?
A rabbit.
Yes. Oh my goodness. What's this?
I didn't know.
Rabbit
Rabbit
ears.
ear.
Let's see if you look pretty with them on.
And
Hi, Mama. Oh, you look so pretty. Let me see you. Hop, 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 hop. Hi, Mama.
Happy eating.
Hoppity hop hop. Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter, Bailey.
Look at Mommy and say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter, Mommy.
I love you.
I love you too, Mama.
Kiss. How about Daddy?
My
Say
girl.
Happy Easter, Daddy.
Happy Easter, Dada.
Happy Easter, Bailey. Mom and Daddy love you.
Okay, you ready to play with your toy? Okay, hop on over here.